In this video, we compare 3 top air purifiers exceeding $100, Dyson Purifier Cool TP07, NuWave OxyPure, and Levoit Core 400S. First up, the Dyson Purifier Cool TP07 combines sleek design with powerful filtration and fan capabilities, capturing 99.95% of ultrafine particles. Dyson's pros include elegant design, effective HEPA filtration, smart features, and quiet operation, but it is expensive with high replacement filter costs. Next, the NuWave OxyPure features a multi-stage filtration system and washable filters, ideal for large spaces, with smart sensors for convenience. While the NuWave OxyPure offers impressive coverage and reduced maintenance costs, its bulky design and noise at high speeds may be drawbacks. Finally, the Levoit Core 400S offers affordable, efficient purification with smart control, ideal for smaller rooms, but limited in coverage and additional features. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for an air purifier, consider what matters most to you: Dyson's sleek design and dual function, NuWave's powerful filtration, or Levoit's budget-friendly efficiency. Don't forget